Hi, I'm gonna show you guys a quick tutorial on how to make the color of your text change colors. Add text to any video. Go to Style. Change Stroke Effects if you want. Go to Text and pick any color. Change font if you want. Go out of Text and hit the keyframe button. Add it to the start and the end. Then add random keyframes in the middle. Now go to Style. Make sure you are on a keyframe. Select any color at random. Keep doing this on each keyframe, but don't do the same color twice. You can change the opacity if you like. You should get this. Also, I'm sorry I didn't post this sooner. I kinda forgot to post it.